Do you know how sediment is deposited? Let's try a simple experiment. First, we need to prepare some equipment. A transparent bottle, different sizes of sand and stones, which represent sediment in the river, and water, which represents river water. Okay, let's start. Mix all the different sizes of sand and stones together. Then, fill a quarter of a transparent bottle with the mixture of sands. Add water into the bottle. Close the bottle. Shake it vigorously. And then put the bottle on the table. Observe the movement of sand and stones in the bottle. Do you see the sand and stones settling gradually? In this experiment, what do you observe? The rate of settlement for different sizes of sand and stones is different. Generally speaking, larger sand and stones will settle first, followed by smaller sand and stones. Silt will settle last. Are the boundaries between the layers clear? Does the result of the experiment reflect the deposition of the river?